Good afternoon. This is a walkthrough video of 31 Jubilee Close in Cubert. This is a 3-bedroom detached house with garage and parking, and it's located on the outskirts of the village, just about a mile down to the beautiful Holywell Bay beach as well. So this is the front of the house. And the cul-de-sac just does a little loop down around there. And then you'll see that the house has got 2 parking spaces, one right here and then one in front of the integral garage there. So single garage and 2 parking spaces. So gate to the side here, so that heads into the garden, and then the front door into the entrance hall. So stairs to the first floor here, and then we have understairs cupboard and ground floor cloakroom. And then into the kitchen breakfast room here. So you've got a little dining area to the right hand side, and you've got pantry storage there, which is really useful, extra storage space. And then here we have a few steps down into the integral garage, which, to be honest, could lend itself to being converted into a room if you wanted to look at that, subject to the necessary permits being applied for. And then we have a double oven, 1.5 bowl sink, electric hob, and then you've integrated fridge and dishwasher as well. And then we come round to the living room. There we go. So dual aspect, got a window to the front here, and then a window to the side, Carndean flooring, and then sliding door out to this lovely garden room, which is used as a dining room currently. Well insulated, you can see the roof is all covered, and it overlooks this beautiful garden. And again, French doors here. So if we go right, this is where we saw the gate at the front there. So good storage area here. And the current owners have really gone to town on this garden. It's absolutely beautifully stocked with shrubs and plants. Railway sleepers here, you can see. Raised bed. And just down here we've got, this is the oil storage tank in here, so all central heating, and a few steps down to the integral garage. So all paved. And then you see all these little seating areas, so it's beautifully stocked. And there's the garden room. We'll head back inside. Through the living room. And then we'll go up to the first floor. Window to the side here. Then we've got an airing cupboard to the right, which has got a radiator in there. To our left, we've got bedroom 2, which is a double bedroom. And on a clear day, you can see through the gap there, you've got the downs and sea glimpses over there as well. Then we've got the family bathroom to our left. And that's got a spa bath with a shower over. And then we've got the main bedroom, which is dual aspects. We've got one window here to the front, one window overlooking the rear garden. And that's a king size bed that's in here, so it's a good size. And then we've got an ensuite shower room, and just behind the door here we've got a double shower. And then completing the accommodation, we've got bedroom 3, and this actually is, I'll just turn this around. This has currently got a large double wardrobe in here, but you will see from this photo that you can actually fit a double bed in here. So the owners are happy to either remove the cupboard or leave it in here, depending on what you would prefer. So this is 31 Jubilee Close.